Hey, this is Oleg with Joe's Gaming Electronics here with the PlayStation Slim repair video. This is how to replace the HDD on your PlayStation Slim. If you're getting some sort of software error code, usually this will solve that issue. For this repair, you'll need a new HDD and a Phillips head. All of these tools can be found in the link in the description. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is flip your PlayStation Slim over. You're going to see this cover. This little cover. You're going to see how it's angled on one side and just straight on the other side. So the way you remove this is you push that way. You push to the left. That exposes the hard drive, which you can see on this side. Now the only thing securing this hard drive is a screw, and we remove this using a Phillips. Once that's removed, we're going to flip it on its side, and we are going to pull. There's this little flapper thing. We're going to pull up and remove the old hard drive. I'm going to set that aside, lay it back down. Once that's in, you're going to get your new hard drive. And as you can see on one side of it, this is where the screw will go. So the screw is right there, so it's gonna have to go in this way. So we're just gonna put it in there, just like so. I'll show you a top view. And we're gonna gently slide it in. Just like so. Once that's in, we're going to get the Phillips screw, put it back in, screw it on. We are then going to get our little plastic piece. It's pretty flexible. And as you can see, it's the straight edge. Since there are these two little clips at the end of the straight edge, we're just going to put it in these two little divots. So these two little pins go in these two little divots. So once they're on like that, make sure it's nice and flush, and we're just going to slide it back on, clip the end of it on, and there we go. Now to start the PS4, you're going to have to load it into boot options. Get the new software on a thumb drive from PlayStation's website, and then reinstall that file back onto this PlayStation Slim, and you'll be all set. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the comment section below. We'll be happy to answer all of your questions. Have a wonderful day.